Welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be removing the polystyrene pellets out of this charmander toy. Now the reason for this is they make it very hard to wash this toy, because the polystyrene pellets make it float on top of the water when you try to wash it. I want to replace those polystyrene pellets with some polyfill. I will show you what polyfill is later in the video. Well, let's get started. Here I have my trusty seam ripper. I've now turned the toy over, and now I've found the exposed hand-stitched area that I'd like to seam rip. As you can see, it has the polystyrene pellets inside, which I want to remove. Using a shop vac, I will remove the polystyrene pellets. I am now going to use this cardboard tube attached to the vacuum cleaner to now go inside of the tail and remove the polystyrene pellets in the tail. This is the toy inside out, with all the polystyrene pellets removed. Now it's ready to be repaired because there is damages to this toy, right on the seam. This is where somebody else tried to repair the toy. I would like to seam rip this part and repair it with my sewing machine. As you can see, I now have the tail seam ripped where the repair was done previously. I am using a poly-twist orange upholstery thread to do the stitch. I find it's a great thread for fur. You can get this thread at any upholstery store. Also, with this thread, I prefer to use a size 18 needle. I prefer to use an industrial machine because they don't break so easily. I want to feature a zipper on this toy so I don't have to do any hand sewing, so I can close it up after the stuffing is put inside. Everything is pre-folded and pinned already, and ready for sewing. The zipper is now all installed. Now it's ready for stuffing. The stuffing I prefer to use is polyfill, it's called. It's commonly used inside of stuffed animals. I like it because you can wash the toy after you stuff it with this. And it makes the toy more soft than having those polystyrene pellets inside of it. Now the toy is all stuffed and ready to be zipped up. As you can see how soft the toy is now. But we still have a problem with one of his eyes. It's very damaged from playing. I bought this toy used, so it was kind of abused. I'm going to try a solution to the problem. It's called a paint marker. First, we got to push on the paint marker to get the paint out. It may take several times to get the paint out of the paint marker. Now that the paint is ready, now I can start coloring in the eye wherever the damage is. And I'm going to do that incredibly fast. And there you have it. The eye is fixed. Please check out my channel for more great videos, and please subscribe if you like what you see. Thank you for watching.